Hi there, Sam from Dimensional Insight. James wasn't feeling like doing the video today, so he asked me to step in. Today, we're going to talk about stamps. Stamps are an easy and convenient way to send letters in the mail without having to directly pay the. Excuse me. What? Really? Are you sure? Okay. Stamps are a versatile tool for displaying measures in predefined layouts on your dashboard. This makes it easier to set up. With that, I'm going to send it over to training for more details. Training, over to you.
In this demonstration, you'll get an introduction to the concept of stamps and learn how they can be used and what their benefits are. In this video, we are assuming some basic familiarity with Measure Factory and DivePort. A stamp is a type of DivePort portlet that you can use to display measures in a predetermined layout. It's a predefined visualization that can be placed on a dashboard to display any measure. A stamp can contain a number of visualization options, such as chart types, gauges, indicators, and more. Most portlets that can be built on a dashboard can be added to stamps. Any information associated with the measure, such as the measure name and the metadata, which means the definition, the business logic, the expression, that can all be exposed through a stamp as well. If it's part of the measure, you can see it in a stamp. Stamps are designed to provide context for interpreting a measure. They create the opportunity to combine a group of portlets that provide a more meaningful and complete context than you would get from one individual portlet. And just like the regular non-stamp portlets in DivePort, all numbers are live and clickable. One of the biggest benefits of stamps is they're intended to be easily reusable. You define the stamp once, and then you can apply it to any measure in a broad class of categories. So for example, count and ratio measures can generally all use the same stamp. This makes it quick and easy to create custom dashboards. Let's take a look at what that process is like. This is our yesterday page, and we can see we have 9 groups of portlets on the page. In these 9 groups, we have a total of 108 portlets. This can make it difficult to maintain and change the portlets and keep them in alignment. With the stamp feature, we've consolidated all the portlets into a single stamp, which you can see here is a single portlet. So if I wanted to create a page similar to the previous one, I can just copy the stamp and create as many stamps as I'd like. So now we have 6 identical stamps that show the value of the same measure, total admissions. To change each stamp portlet so that it shows the value of a different measure, I'll edit the portlet and specify a new measure for it. When I'm done editing, I'll have information on 6 different measures: total admissions, acute admit %ED, total discharges, total surgical cases, total discharge days, and total newborns. Now we can save our page. On our new page, all the numbers are clickable. So for example, we can launch the default analysis for this number. There's our 14 from yesterday. We can also launch information about the measure from each stamp as well. So that's your introduction to stamps. A stamp is a type of portlet that treats a set of portlets as a single unit, providing context for interpreting measures. Use stamps to create custom dashboards that are visually pleasing, informative, and easy to update and maintain.
Well, there you have it. our introduction to stamps in the Measure Factory. If you found this video informative, please click the like button down below and subscribe for more videos just like it. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the section below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, this was Sam from Dimensional Insight. How'd I do? Good? Yeah, great. Awesome. Bye.